everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I pack my new Taekwondo bag. So this is my new Taekwondo bag, as you can see here. I bought it at Decathlon, it was on sale, so I'm very happy to get it because the previous one I've been using for like, I don't know, 13-14 years. It's been really not in a good condition, it's been broken, torn. I took it to the repair person and they said, well, he can fix it, but it will cost as much as a new one. So I was like, okay, I'm going to get a new one, finally. And I saw there was a sale at Decathlon. I was really happy about it. So I got this bag on sale. I really like it. It's a giant bag, it's 80 liters. So I'm going to pack it with my Taekwondo training equipment and everything else that I need. So this is the bag. I'm really happy with it. It's quite big, as you can see. So I think I'm gonna start by adding a little bit of shape to the sides. So this is the bag. It's a brand new Kipsta. I got it from Decathlon. And this is a 80-liter bag. It shows it on the side. So this is quite big. It's a good material, like it's supposed a little bit waterproof. We're gonna see about that. It has two big pockets on the side, and this is the middle. It's very big. This is the strap that you can put on crossbody. Of course, this is adjustable, which is really good, and it has handles as well, so you can carry the bag in your hands. So this is very big. I like that you can put a bunch of stuff in it. The material is really good. Here it's a little bit more thick, and the bottom looks like this. The color is a nice blue color, navy. Not sure if it comes through camera. It's very good. I didn't want a black one, but the navy one is really good, so I like it. This is the bottom, and this is the back, and it has these holes, so your clothes and stuff actually have some air movement when you're carrying your stuff. So I think that's really good. So let's see what I can put in this bag. I think I'm gonna add first my leg protection here to the side, and this one as well. So just put it here, and then let's add the gloves. So my boxing gloves, they come here in the middle, let's see, and my shin protectors, they come here. Okay, so this is pretty good. I have my forearm protectors here, separate. They fit here as well. Wow, there's a lot of space here. Like you can see now, this is getting into a nice shape here. I'm gonna keep adding some stuff. So the next thing, I think these are my sandals. Like, is that just some rubber sandals? These are very good when you go take your shoes off and then you go to the dojang. So I just have them together in its own bag, and they should go to the side because I need to take them out. So when I switch from my trainers or my sneakers or any other shoe, I put them into the bag and then I put them here. So I know that one pocket here will hold the shoes. So I think I'm gonna add more of my protection gear here. So here is my chest protector. That should be somehow on the top here, which is pretty easy to do. So far like this. And this is my top for that, but I think all clothing should be going to the other side. So I think for one top that goes here, and this is how you can see, this is how it closes, and here is a secret little pouch here. I can just put probably some tissues and some other stuff. This is really good, so you just need to grab something. I have some of this extra equipment. This is just a rubber knife that you can practice with. I also have my tonfa, which I don't usually carry with me because we don't always practice it. But when I do need to practice it, I think it fits here if it comes out a little bit. But if I just want to, I just put it in just easy. Okay, so this is to be continued. I have another top that I can put underneath me. So I have a sports bra, I have a top, and I have a pair of shorts that I wear underneath. So these go all here. And usually I just like to have bags. So I put everything in a bag, and then I take my street clothes off. I just put them in the bag, so everything is a little bit more organized. Clothes are just not, you know, everywhere in the bag. I like to be more organized. Put them here, and here there are all these little holes. So I think this is to let your clothes and equipment breathe. There's also one here, so this area is breathing as well. This is really good. I like how they make this bag. It's really good. Next thing is my towel. I always have that with me. I put that together here with my shoes. I also have Taekwondo hoodie that I have with me. I don't know where to put this. Let's put in my clothes. So this is my doba. I usually like to put this in the middle. This is in the middle, and my belt is also in the middle. So everything is here in the middle, all nice and organized. I don't know where to put this. Probably just put it here on the top. Still, there is a lot of space left. Wow. So I have my training knife. This is just a rubber knife. I'm gonna put that here along with my sandals and my towel. This is really good. There's still a lot of space here. I think I'm gonna put my towel along with the other clothes. So it's all clothing here. And here's the equipment. And here is my pair of sandals and my rubber gloves. I don't take the tonfa with me right now, so I'm going to take that away, and I'm gonna add some extra stuff to my bag. When I talk about extra stuff, I mean I need a deodorant. There's a little bit left in here. I hope to use this up and get rid of it properly, because I only use now not the spray ones but the stiff ones. So I'm gonna use this up and then never again, because these are not good for you or for the environment. So I just put it here, use it up, and that's it. I have this powder. This is a baby powder, but it's good for your hands. So when you are practicing the tonfa, for example, and you feel like you're stuck with it, usually you put a little bit of baby powder on, and then you will be able to do the twist and the turns much better. After you've been doing tonfa a lot and you're sweating and your palm is like really sticky, then this is really good. So I take this with me when we practice the tonfa, so not right now. I also have a mouth guard here, and this is an extra mouth guard that I have to make it for myself. You have to put it in like hot water and adjust it to your own shape of your teeth. I'm going to do this soon. Up until that, I have this mouth guard. I also have these small practicing gloves. They are not much, but they are very good. Sometimes you just need them, not the bigger ones. So put that together with the equipment. This is a cooling gel. This is very good when you put it on your body, and it helps you to relax and also to feel better. So sometimes I put this on. I also have some of these tiger plasts things. I like them, so I take them with me. So here's my new stiff. This is the one that I like using much better. This is like a little light, so I think I'm going to hook that on somewhere, because this is really useful if you need to see something and you don't have your phone. So just put it here. This is really nice. Okay, I have another one. This doesn't work, or I need to, oh yeah, this is just like this. So for here, I have all my little nicks and nacks here. These are like 10 extra hair ties, some hand cream, lip balm, extra hand cream. I have a lot of these women's products. So this is just all together in one little box. I think this is much better to keep your toiletries like this. So I'm going to put it here. And this is it. I'm gonna figure out where to put this. probably together with them, and this one as well. This is the bag. It's complete. It's heavy, like there's a bunch of stuff in it, but I really like it. I think it's a good way to carry your stuff. So basically you can have this crossbody, you can adjust it, have this one, or you can just put this together and just carry your bag like this. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for this channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!